Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you guys a unit by Mega Look Hair. This is the wig right out of the packaging. As you guys can see, the lace looks really good. It did come pre-plucked, but it's not bleached. The knots are not bleached, so I will be bleaching the knots off camera. So I'm showing you guys everything right out of the packaging. This is a 360 lace frontal wig in 22 inches long. Okay, so really good quality right out the box. Love how soft it came and everything like that. This is the construction inside of the unit. You do get combs in the back, an adjustable band in the back. You also get 2 hooks on the side of the wig, and inside of your packaging you will have some bands right here to hook onto it just for extra secureness. And then inside of my package I got a wig cap and all of that good stuff. Okay, now it is time to install. So I am using my Ebon lace adhesive glue, and this is in the active version. I get mine from the beauty supply store, and I just took my sponge, my makeup sponge, and I just put a little bit of my foundation on my wig cap just so everything can be seamless and it can look like scalp. Even though this is a transparent wig cap, I did want to put just a little bit of foundation on it so everything can blend. And then as you guys can see, this is the wig. The knots are bleached right here, nice and bleached. I did go in and pluck a little bit more too off camera, and I did take a little bit of the rest of that foundation inside of the wig cap on the lace too as well, so everything can look seamless. So now all of the lace is cut all the way around the wig, and here I am just installing. You guys can watch this part. It's basically self-explanatory, but I will say, y'all, melted so freaking good, okay? And that's all I can say.
Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name.
Okay, so as you guys saw, I did take the Ebon adhesive spray on top, and now I'm just placing on my scarf just for extra secureness. This is optional, but this works for me to help the lace melt even more. You can use the Mega Look band that you will receive in your packaging, but you know, it's optional. It's up to you. I do recommend it because it does help with melting the lace. And even when you're sleeping or showering, it just helps secure the lace and protect it throughout all of that, okay? But look at this lace, y'all. Like, it looks so good. Like, it looks like freaking scalp. Like, I'm so impressed with it. I'm so happy with it. Man, okay, so 10 out of 10 for the lace, 10 out of 10 for the quality. Do you see it? Okay, like every bit of this hair is like top tier, okay? Like off jump, off rip, I already knew that this hair was going to be so cute after I was done styling. Okay, so I did a middle part. You guys can watch this part, self-explanatory again. I did pluck a little bit of my parting, just a little bit. I didn't need to do too much, as you guys can see. This wig does lay down flat. I did take my hot comb and just went throughout the hair just to make sure everything was laid down in its place. And then now I am going to start styling the hair. You guys are going to see me pluck a little bit of the lace like I was telling you guys. Not the lace, the part, just a little bit. Didn't need to do too much. And then I went in and started to do a little bit of baby hair in the front. Not too much of baby hair, y'all. I love how good this lace looked, like just scalp. So I didn't want to do too much with my hairline area. But I did do a little bit of baby hair, and then I started to curl the hair. So you guys can watch all of that, and then I'll come back.
If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. stop playing games, playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say so won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Okay, so now here is where I am styling. So as y'all saw, I did do a middle part, but I wanted to do something different. And I end up just pinning a little piece of the hair back, and I just used some bobby pins, simple and easy. And I left the two strands in the front out, and as y'all saw, well, no, I didn't show y'all that yet, but I am going to cut right here. As y'all can see, I did cut some layers right here because it was too long, and I thought that it'll give, the hair a little bit more shape to it. So I end up layering the front and pinning a little bit towards the back. So cute little style. I loved it, y'all. It was so freaking cute. Like, look at that. I have literally nothing bad to say about this freaking hair. Everything looks so good. I used my extra hold spray by Tresemme just to lay down the flyaways and everything like that. But this hair, 10 out of 10. I will love to do like a whole complete updo because this is a 360 wig. So you can put all of the hair up into a ponytail or a pin-up look, whatever you desire to do. Is very, very versatile. All of everything will be listed down below. Full link in the description of this hair. I love you, baby dolls, so, so much. If you have any questions, feel free, let me know down below. But that is all for the video, and I'll see you, baby dolls, in my next one. Love you. Bye.